I'm Joy Carosa, and this is Enjoy It Healthy. So, if you've watched any of my other videos, I was under the channel The Modern Unicorn, but I recently changed it to Enjoy It Healthy. Thought it was more fitting and kind of goes along with the things I have in store for the very near future. So, in celebration of my new name, I'm going to make some summer cocktails. They're going to be a little bit lighter and a little bit healthier, and let's get started. The two cocktails I am making today, one is a Paloma, which is kind of a classic tequila cocktail. It's kind of like the grapefruit version of a margarita. And the second one is a spiked iced tea. So it's got some bourbon in it, and it's really kind of refreshing and a perfect drink for the summer. I've been enjoying it with our hot temperatures here in Arizona. Okay, so both of these cocktails are going to be sweetened with a honey syrup. I basically took local honey. I love to use local honey, and it's great for allergies and whatnot. But and I didn't do a 1-for-1 because it's very sweet. It's sweeter than sugar. I did like 1 part honey to 3 parts water in a saucepan, just to get it to a liquid consistency, and it just mixes a lot better. So okay, so we're going to make our Paloma, and we're going to use the juice of 1 grapefruit. I'm gonna juice this up both sides, and also a half of a lime. Okay, and then half of a lime. Okay. Alrighty. Just got this beautiful juice in here. You probably won't need all of that. I'm gonna just make a serving for 1. My husband doesn't like this because he can't drink grapefruit juice, so I'm just gonna make it a serving for 1. Just put a couple ice cubes in this cute little mini thing, but again, use your cocktail shaker or whatever. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little tequila. I love this brand, Espolon. It's really well priced and it's such a good flavor. I'm just going to eyeball that. I'm not going to make it very strong. That's probably not even an ounce. And I'm going to do a little splash of the honey and a little bit of, fill the rest up with my grapefruit and lime combination. Shaky, shaky. To serve this up, I have one of these little ice ball maker thingies, and it's just so cute and so pretty, right? Right in there. Then in the center of a fun glass, and we shook this up already. Let's give it a couple more shakes. And you know what? Let's do a little thin garnish of lime. You could do a salted rim if you want. There you go, you have a little bit extra there. I didn't make mine that sweet, but if you need a little bit more sweet, that's kind of the beauty of this honey syrup. I just kind of keep it on hand in the fridge, and you can just add a little bit more. Sometimes the fruit's going to be a little bit sweeter than other times, and right now it happens that grapefruit is in season. By the way, if you are looking for what's in season, go check out Eat the Seasons. Every day and all the time, it has what is in season and fresh right now. I love to cook and shop by using that resource. So let's make cocktail number 2. Again, I'm going to use this honey syrup, but if you want to have really a sugar-free, not that it's not refined sugar, but it's honey. But you can check out I think I'll put it right here, my first episode that I did on cocktails as well. So I did like a monk fruit syrup, and it's very low carb and all that kind of stuff. This cocktail is an iced tea kind of spiked with some bourbon. So I'm going to use Nile Creek today, but the tea I'm going to use, and you can use other teas, but this is tea that I am very into right now. It's called Jason Winter's tea. I don't know if you've heard about it. You can Google all the health benefits of Jason Winter's tea. And I've been making it at night, and so that I have iced tea ready to go, and it's nice and cold for when I want it. So I decided to make a cocktail with it, and it's delicious with bourbon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have some mint from my herb box outside, and I have mojito mint and peppermint growing out there, and it's so great because it grows. It's hard to kill, and that's the kind of thing that I need. So I'm going to take a little bit of mint leaves in here, and I'm going to take the peel of a lemon. So just make it simple like that. Okay. I'm going to take my honey lemon syrup, and I'm going to drip a little bit of that in there. Like I said, it's not going to be that sweet. I don't really like very sweet drinks. And I'm going to take my muddler, and I'm going to muddle that around. Okay. Smash those leaves into the lemon peel and get that going. So fragrant, the mint is so fragrant. Take a few ice cubes. Lost an ice cube. Take a few ice cubes. Right. And a splash of bourbon. Make it however strong or weak you want it. I'm trying to make weaker drinks these days, but that's probably not, again, not even an ounce. So then, actually, you know what? I'm going to put a little bit more because this is going to be for 2 people. So I'm going to put a little bit more. And then later, you can always spike it with more bourbon if you want, or if your husband or whoever you're making for wants a little bit stronger drink, you can always put more bourbon in. Fill it with the Jason Winter's tea. It is unsweetened, as it is. So that's why we sweeten it with the honey lemon. We're going to give it a good shake. Okay. Let's garnish. I have my little matching Knob Creek glass here. We're going to garnish with that same peel and a little sprig of mint. And look at how sweet this is. Very refreshing summer cocktail. Yay! I'm gonna use the lemon, the honey, the mint. Oh, it's really, really delicious. Okay, so enjoyithealthy.com is my new website, and I've got a lot of exciting things, so I hope you'll subscribe and give me a thumbs up and keep watching. I've got a line of products coming out, and I'm so excited about it, but I'll tell you more about that later. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment below, and check out the website. If you want to contact me, you can send me an email at info@enjoyithealthy.com. Okay, stay tuned. I've got some fun stuff coming up.